So listen guys, obviously I'm in a different place. Actually, currently I'm in a different city and I'm staying in a hotel room. We still are on the agenda. We still have a pair of shoes to look at. And today is a little bit of an interesting one. Look, this sneaker has obviously had a little bit of a rocky past. It's gone from extremely hyped, extremely high demand to kind of slowly declining to the point now where people are kind of calling this one a brick. So let's do it. Let's jump into it. Let's take a look at the Yeezy QNTM in the Onyx colorway. Alright, so we got the Yeezy box. I mean, it's a Yeezy box. It says QNTM on the front. It does say Boost on the side for obvious reasons. Now, it's a little bit larger than a regular, I guess, 350, 380 box. Either way, let's slide these open and let's take a look at the subtle and blacked out Yeezy QNTM in the Onyx colorway. Listen, honestly, if you could imagine before these released what a triple black Yeezy QNTM was going to look like, and you idolized the best way that they could have executed a triple black Yeezy QNTM, this would be it. This is exactly what I wanted to see from a Yeezy QNTM that is triple black, and you know what? It suits the QNTM so much. Ever since the original release and I managed to get a pair, I was pretty much set for Yeezy QNTMs. That was my preference in terms of colorways. Any of the other ones that dropped in the middle were kind of a bit of a miss for me. I was like, you know what? I got the originals. I'm good. I don't need any other colorways. However, this Onyx, this triple black colorway, this is right up there with the original. Either way, let's talk specifics. These dropped on September the 10th and they retail for £220 here in the UK, or I believe 250 out in the US. I don't necessarily think that the retail price is why this pair of shoes doesn't have as much hype. Now, arguably it kind of worked for the Yeezy 700 where they dropped the price and we saw more hype. So potentially if they did that with a QNTM, more people would buy it. But at this point, every single colorway, including the original, has pretty much sat on shelves. Whatever it is, some people are going to be very happy that they're able to pick this up after the release, and it's just super easy to go in, check out, get the colorway that you want, and not have to wait in queues and not have to go to the resale market. You pick these up for retail and you're good. Now, one thing that got me a little bit worried was the fact that they called this the Yeezy QNTM Onyx. You remember we got a Yeezy 380 in the Onyx colorway, and I was kind of expecting that to be a triple black. However, it wasn't. It had this kind of purple tinge to it. Well, I can say for anybody who is wondering, this doesn't have that same tinge. It is pretty much bang on triple black. I would say that there are some gray elements, specifically that toe box that you see on the front is a little bit lighter in color, and then of course the midsole, but I think it's only because it's a very thin midsole so you can see through to the boost, and that gives it a little bit of a gray color. Of course, you get the reflective back panel, that is also black with a little bit of a sparkle depending on what the lighting conditions are. The Yeezy QNTM has also been very confusing for the actual designs that it's had on it. Some of them have had a texturized rubber material, some of them have had a completely knit side pattern, and then this one has a mix between knit and semi-translucent material so you can see through to the reflective 3M material. It's definitely the first colorway that's come along since the original and made me actually want to pick it up 100% and chuck it straight on feet. This is like the Donda Quantum. This is like the Donda Yeezy, all blacked out, kind of goes with the album. Still feel like that's kind of a little bit of a missed opportunity for Kanye to drop a Donda sneaker. Like, where's that? Where are we gonna get a Donda Yeezy? And I wonder what model that would be. Let me know if there was a Donda Yeezy, what model would it be, or what model would you like to see it on? If you want to know about sizing on these, I personally go a half size up. So pretty much just your regular Yeezy size that you would go with 350s and stuff like that. Yeah, it's just a half size. You should be good. However, if you've tried on a pair of Quantums, or maybe you still have them laying around in stores and you can go and try on a pair of Quantums, go with that size. I would not go out and buy these from Adidas. Paying full retail price is one thing. However, you could probably get these for under retail from places like StockX, potentially Go. But listen, that pretty much wraps it up for the Yeezy Quantum in the Onyx colorway. This is a super nice colorway. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comment section. But like I said, that wraps it up. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.